Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You start by confirming essentials, 2 paired controllers and a second console profile. Once done, update Black Ops 6 so split screen bugs are minimized. Launch the game and navigate directly to local/multiplayer. Don't waste time in campaign menus. You choose a mode that supports local play. Split screen won't appear otherwise. Make sure the display aspect is set to 16:9 for consistent UI scaling, and keep an eye on controller assignment icons at the bottom of the lobby screen. Once the lobby exists, press the second controller's primary button to sign in and assign player 2. You'll select profiles and then pick a map and mode that explicitly supports local split screen. Next, tweak settings. Reduce render scale or resolution if you want steadier FPS. This helps because 2 viewports double GPU work. Also adjust HUD scaling and camera distance so both players see critical info. Finally, confirm split screen toggle under accessibility or display so the split renders correctly. You're ready to start the match. Load into the first round and immediately verify controls, sensitivity, and audio balance for both players. If you notice frame drops, make real-time adjustments. Lower texture and shadow details or choose 720p split mode to regain smoothness. If one screen stays black or a controller isn't recognized, reconnect the device, reassign the profile in the lobby, and restart the game only if necessary. Remember, keeping firmware and game updated resolves most persistent issues.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.